Good morning, everyone. Today I'm fixing a 3-bean chili. It's cool outside, so I thought it would be a perfect day for some chili. To get started, I use a pound of ground beef in my Dutch oven. Then I add some salt and some pepper to it just to get it started. And I use my chopper. This handheld chopper is so nice. I got it from Pampered Chef years ago, and it works so good. You can find them now like at Walmart or anywhere like that. They're so handy. And I'm going to use a whole onion dice. I'm also going to use one of the small bell peppers and then a jalapeno pepper. And you just dice them up too. I love soups and chilies this time of the year. Actually, I love them anytime. I believe I can eat soup all year round. Now add the onions and peppers to the Dutch oven. We're going to saute these a little bit to get them tender. And now I take 2 cloves of garlic and just smash them to get all the skin off of them, and I just chop them up really fine. I like using the real garlic, but you can use the jar garlic if you want to. Not real garlic, but fresh garlic. It's all real. Now it's time to add some spices. I've got some chili powder here, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of chili powder. More or less. If you like it more spicy, you can use more. Use a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of paprika. And a tablespoon of cumin. I love cumin. It just smells so good. It tastes good. And some garlic powder, about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of onion powder, both of those. And at the end, you can always taste it to see if it needs more spices. But this is just what to get started with. just want to brown the spices a little bit to help bring out the flavor when you toast them. Okay, now I got a can of black beans, can of red kidney beans, the dark red ones. You can use the light red ones too, whichever. And a can of cannellini beans. And a cup of water. I ended up adding another cup of water after I added my tomatoes. So there's my tomatoes I canned. They're so pretty. They turned out so good. And I gotta smell them. They smell so good. I just used a quart of those, and you can use some canned tomatoes if you don't have your home canned. Okay, I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs anything. It's pretty good. Let me add some salt. This 3-bean chili was delicious. I garnished it with some cheddar cheese and some green onions. Oh, it was so good. It'd be great too with tortilla chips. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.